Hey everyone, Evan Hunt here, and today we're going to be talking about the real estate market in Silicon Valley, California in 2023 and how you can start investing or even more buying your first property. Now, it's always hard to make prediction about the real estate market, especially during this weird time. But one thing is for sure, Silicon Valley is going to remain a hotspot for real estate in the coming years, and there's some surprisingly good news for the soon-to-be homeowners. As many of you may already know, Silicon Valley is home of some of the biggest tech companies in the world, including Meta, Alphabet, Apple, PayPal, just to name a few. But it's not just the tech industry that is driving the demand for the housing in Silicon Valley. The area has a thriving culture and is the home for some of the world's most innovative and creative people. It is no wonder that so many people want to live and work in this amazing place. This has been trending for the last 2 decades. Now, it's not always sunshine and rainbow in Silicon Valley real estate market. One thing to watch out for is the impact of rate hike by the Federal Reserve. The current interest rate has increased significantly, currently at 4.25% to 4.5% when I'm making this video, and this is the 7th consecutive increase of the Fed to battle inflation. According to Forbes, the Federal Reserve has indicated that it's planned to keep interest rate relatively high for foreseeable future, at least until 2024. So this is likely to be some of the biggest concern for those that are looking to own a home anywhere. Also, Lauren Yuan, the chief economic for the National Association of Realtors, forecast that home sales in 2023 will be likely dropped by 7% compared to last year levels. From the BCS Bay Area, the San Jose real estate market experienced a peak in median home value in April, but since then, prices has been decreasing. This trend is commonly in high competitive housing market like San Jose or even Austin or Boise, and this likely due to the decrease of demand for the homes. Now, another trend to watch out for is the rise of remote work and mass layoff by the high-tech companies. As more and more high-tech companies embrace the idea of allowing employees to work from home, some people may decide to move out of Silicon Valley to more affordable areas. Also, the layoffs have created a vacancy in the housing market in this region. This could potentially lead to a slowdown in demand for housing in the region and decrease in housing prices. Another thing that is currently happening in Silicon Valley right now is the low inventory and low competition between buyers. So what does that really mean? Low inventory and low competition between buyers can be beneficial in real estate, as it may lead to increase in negotiating power and the potential for a better deal. Low competition can also mean less stress and pressure during the buying process, and especially for the first-time home buyers. Now, with fewer properties being available, buyers may have less selection but trade for a better chance to find a property that meets their need and the budget, as well as potentially a good property for long-term investment. However, it's important to keep in mind that low inventory and low competition could also mean higher prices, as buyers may be willing to pay more in order to secure property in the market with fewer options. So if you're thinking about buying or investing in real estate in Silicon Valley, now may be a perfect time. The demand for the housing is only going to increase in the coming years, and with the right property, you could potentially see some great return for your investment. Finally, it's important to work with a reputable and experienced realtor when looking to invest in Silicon Valley real estate market. Be open to negotiating in terms such as closing costs or closing date in addition to the price of the property. Now, here's a pro tip. Find a seller that is motivated in selling and offer them something that offers a win-win situation. If the seller owns the property free and clear, perhaps offer them a seller finance. For example, if the market rate is over 6%, you can offer them 10% for a 10-year fix. This way, you get below market interest rate and the seller get the passive income for years to come. With this offer, the seller might find it attractive with a passive income and look at your offer more seriously. Even with all these potential challenges, it's likely that Silicon Valley real estate market will remain strong in 2023, a bit slower than we're thinking. Of course, it's always important to do your research and make sure that you make an informed decision before investing in real estate. It is always good to consult your idea with a realtor before making any major decision in this market. Overall, the future looks bright here in Silicon Valley real estate market. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And if you have any question or comment, leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time.